This is how to successfully enhance audio in Adobe Premiere Pro CC fast. Drop a like if this helps. Let's go. Start building passive income skills. Click the link down below. Okay, let's say you want to enhance this audio clip. It's quite simple. Simply click on your audio clip. Make sure it's selected and highlighted on the timeline. Go to effects. If you do not have effects, go to window on the top left hand screen. Scroll down and click on effects. It's quite simple. I'm going to show you a couple ways on how you can do this. Type in bass underneath the search bar. Underneath audio effects, click the drop down arrow. Click on this folder, drag it on your audio clip. As you can see, if you go to effects control, we're going to click right here, boost 6 decibels, click on enter. Or should I say this is the before and this is the after. Now a second way is you can go to effects and type in treble. This will basically add a better effect of your audio clip. Should I say this is the before and this is the after.